Hi, friends. They brought a shelf from a car so that I could make a mount for it. I'll show you now what the original mount for this shelf looks like. Now I'll show you what I managed to design. As you can see, it consists of two parts, made almost the same. Only I made it a little thicker for greater strength. I adjusted the latches, but most likely it will still need some minor adjustments. Let's take a look at what we got. It fits pretty tightly. In order to remove it, you need to apply quite a lot of force. Inside, on both sides, there are ribs that hold onto each other. Let's put it on the shelf and see how it looks. As you can see, there are two holes in the shelf, where we will now install my development. It fits into its groove quite tightly and now needs to be fixed from the inside. It snapped in just fine and sat as if it was there. I will also show you from the other side how it looks like here. It turned out beautifully and neatly without any additional elements. To order, you can go to the Telegram group and write to me. Good luck with your repairs.